Types of crypto wallets. So we shall be looking at some of the types of blockchain wallets. Types of software wallets include, we have the web or the exchange wallets. Okay, we have the mobile wallets, we have the desktops and the hardware wallets. So when you look at this, let me quickly show you what you have here on the screen, what is known as the web wallet. It is hosted by an exchange. For example, if you go to Binance.com, all right, Binance.com, you are going to create an account there and you are going to have a web wallet from there. All right, you can go to Ethereum and the same thing, create an account, and that holds cryptocurrency. So that is a web wallet. And then we also have something known as the mobile or the software on a smartphone. Okay, so if you have a software on a smartphone, it actually holds cryptocurrencies. This is known actually as a software or a smartphone wallet. Okay, so, or a mobile wallet. So that is the second type of crypto wallets. The next one is actually what is known as the desktop or the software for PC users. That is the desktop wallets. All right, usually for PC users, if you have a PC and you download or you get those you have the wallet on top of it, that is actually a desktop wallet. And then the second type of crypto wallets is also known as the access to your crypto stored offline. You can have access to some of your cryptos stored offline, and this is usually in a kind of key like this. Do you see this? A little bit of this is software, is offline, and once you have this, you can actually store your money inside, and this is actually known as a hardware wallet. Okay, a hardware wallet is something like this. You have the security code, you have the security, everything inside, where you can now store your income offline or your cryptocurrencies offline without any problem. So these are the 4 different types of crypto wallets.